So if you've been wondering what do we do when a patient or someone is out of town or away from where I practice to figure out how to manage your vertigo, this video is for you. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages for their health for the last 20 years with non-surgical ways. So today I'm right now at a spine research conference here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm learning the latest and greatest and helping people to wind up managing their dizziness, vertigo, headaches, migraines after they've been a crash and trauma. We just finished with an hour of scoliosis management, and we've got 2 more to come of it. Today I have with me one of my colleagues, Dr. Tom. Dr. Tom has been a referral source for me. So for those of you who are watching our channel and are from outside of my area, for many times we'll hop on a phone call and do a discovery call. And if you think you need help, go ahead and type down below. There's a link where we can do that. But if we're not able to help you, I look around the world to find doctors who practice similarly to me to find that. So Dr. Tom, can you share with us a little bit about what the experience was like and the people who have come to your office and how has it gone?
Yeah, so my name is Dr. Tom Morrison. I practice in Providence, Rhode Island. I got a call from Dr. Gregg some months ago now, and he had explained to me that he had 2 people reach out to him because they had found him on social media, and they thought he might be able to help them with their problem, but they're so far away because they're both in Massachusetts and Rhode Island that he looked around and he found me. We practice in very similar ways, so he put me in touch with them. And they came into the clinic, and I applied the techniques and the lessons that I learned doing the same kind of research that Dr. Gregg does, and these patients have had so far phenomenal outcomes. So the one woman who had been suffering with pretty severe vertigo for years and years, I believe her history was over 8 years. She had tried everything, she'd been to every movement and motion specialist, and she came in after 3 months, her vertigo is virtually completely gone, completely resolved. And then the other woman that came in, also suffering with vertigo and migraines, and after 3 months of care, she's over 50% corrected after, again, suffering for many, many years with the same types of conditions.
That's absolutely amazing. Thanks for hopping on with me on this little video here. If you've been suffering from migraines or vertigo and you're not sure what your next step should be, let's hop on a discovery call to figure it out. Whether you're nearby or far away, we help people all around the world to figure out the best steps to removing the blockages in their health so that they can get back to life. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.